joke time. Cute. Getting dubs for real, really. Oh my god, Mecha, I'm actually gonna tweak. What happened? What happened? Give me the tea, give me the tea. I'm gonna make her pink when I get her. Don't look at me like that. I burp all the time. I legit just got my DoorDash order before work. Well, where's my DoorDash order, Chara?
Hi.
Oh, Burp, thank you.
Handle yourselves until I get back.
Well,
When it came out.
And here I thought we were finally done with stairs.
We're never done with stairs, Junpei.
don't be careless.
So I will be RB. You're welcome. And I have essentially her. I think it's like her. This is from her first opening, and this is from her third. Combos. To the top by getting things done very often. That felt fucking good, chat.
Like, I can modify your...
I don't. Hello. See the.
Don't worry. He'll tell you how many times he's gonna hit you. First, we'll see and hear the timing.
Like eventually beating that fight, right? But I was like, it was.
We shut it down.
According to this, only with the passkeys of all the bosses.
Are you saying we still need...
There are 6 bosses and 6 passkeys. We've already taken down 2. We still need 4 bosses and 4 passkeys.
You?
Good to see you. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What'd you wanna? All right, all done here. Come back soon.
303. That's crazy. You know, I never really realized I burped that much. Like, I knew I burped a lot, but like, that's a lot of burps. Especially for when I started that, you know? I wonder what the cap is on it. I don't remember what I put. This is not gonna take me long to hit that cap, bro. MC Unimore is actually kind of interesting.
You want to know who I want to voice Aiko? Hatsune!
That happened. Okay. That I didn't expect. Cool. Okay, to be fair, it wasn't over cake, Grease. That is not... You do make a compelling argument. You're welcome. Can I freeze it? That works. I think I spent more of that fight yapping than like actually doing stuff. Persona 4 Royal for both of us. That's fair. We're slaying so hard, life should.
Dance is over.
We would be better off making a deal with Mephisto.
Okay.
I can assure you, most certainly.
For an attack.
What a fucking loser, dude. That's like humiliating behavior, not gonna lie. Really humiliating.
Do what I wanna. Reach the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Come, Herbie.
Ooh, I do highly recommend it. It's a very, very fun game. But yeah, it's like a roguelite kind of hard. It's terrible in my opinion. There's only 3 good flavors. Which at a certain but Marvel specifically. Of Gamma. I would love to see She-Hulk. I think she'd be quite fun. You could make her like a DPS too, you know? Can we make it to 420 burps before 420? I don't know about that. There. And so she's gonna try to put in a good word. I already put in an application to them through Indeed. Yeah, like, I need a new job bad, dude. If Lucy's gonna be gone, my job's about to be fucking hell. Oh my god. So, like,
Cat can easily pursue the prison far more dangerous.
Blood Hunt?
Ever since
Interesting tank, I'll give him that. I don't think Venom is particularly, like... 57, okay, that's rough. I think I'll run one more game because they're gonna have to restart and stuff. Or maybe I should just wait for Spud. Because I think Spud's gonna be out soon. So I got like 10 minutes. 9 minutes. I'll give him that. I don't think Venom is particularly like 57. Okay, I'm gonna run one. I think I'll run one more game because they're gonna have to restart and stuff. Or maybe I should just wait for Spud. Because I think Spud's gonna be out soon. So I got like 10 minutes. 9 minutes. Good luck on your commute. Oh, is that Venture? It was gonna be Penny originally. But like that's not gonna happen. Yeah, and then Emma came out and I was like, okay, like she's very like a Nara core. That shit is so fucking crazy. I saw you play Magic. I love Magic. That's my girl. She's my main. Never used Yusuke. Mr. Fantastic wouldn't be great for the game mode. Or Sue, honestly. I'm not even drinking, dude. I don't need my soda open. Here, guys. I'm gonna open it now. I haven't even been drinking anything. I mean, water, but like. I mean, every character in Automa is an android. I am a certified gooner. Yeah. We know. Magical Girl Raising Project. 110%. What if my teeth rot because I know it? I don't. I spent a lot of money on my VTuber model and I like it. I like the. Oh, okay.
Pull the trigger.
Baby. I wasn't even aiming, dude. It wasn't even like it was a skill issue. I just wasn't paying attention.
What did I do? No effect on this enemy. Two enemies. You can take them.
Oh, you figured it out. I'll get you on Nier someday. Someday, one day. Oh my god. Hello. Dude, I can never tell if the TTK is. Pretty good. No, it's the solo queue grind. I gotta head out. Friend needs me to. Yeah, you're good. Let me know. Let me know, homie. Have fun. Tell your friend I said hi. 363 burps is fucking crazy. Like I knew I burped a lot, but like, oh my gassy bitch. Ridiculous. Dude, I don't even fucking know, dude. I don't know what fuck was happening that game. Dude, there's only so much I can do, right? Like, that was not my fault. There is so much space that I made. I'm gonna piss real quick though, because I do have to pee, so I hope my clip player's working. It is. Just Phil. That's fair. Good shit. What the fuck to do about it, Daredevil? If you click the viewer icon. Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, first burp of the stream. Yo, let's go!
Hell yeah.
Who would be kidding about burps? Huh? Oh, us. Okay, I see what you're referencing now. Yeah. Yeah, we be belchers. Belchers are us, you know? Okay, let's see if they chase. Do I have... Do I save for a custom role or force? Hi. I had a friend. How are we? I hope everybody's doing well. I owe, I think, like 6 kisses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. So, mwah, 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 mwah. There y'all go. Crazy how time flies. Well, I felt it coming and I was like, wait, I think I can time this. What? If it's not, it's only on like broadcasting networks. So like Netflix and YouTube are able to skirt around stuff like that and create literal mind slop like Coco Melon for kids. They're just one ugly motherfucker. And she's you not count to 27? 27. I can't save you from that.
All mine.
Justice.
For killing mayhap 1, 2.
So like if you could fix
The second
I'll cosplay more spirit. I wanna cosplay. I get it, not for me. Megara, and I mean constantly disrespecting the few black characters they have in the game. Ooh. Almost halfway, he's getting there. 452, nobody's getting there though. That one was hot. Thanks. Okay, so what the fuck am I doing? I guess I go up, huh? Oh!
Yeah. Golly. I can't wait to explore the web again. Burp shook my earphones for real. Good. So we like them. Oh, that's my boy! Told that I should ban you. I understand if you're like on the axe or something.
Got it.
It's not good. Also, I want to. Like, I really want to see your rack. What? What?
Trade. Electric.
Okay, Charybdis.
No margin for error here. No room. Perhaps you've had a taste of it.
My mana.
Long ago.
Truly, what was the circumstance then? Silence. Prevailed.
Hello?
I change things up.
To make a simple of it.
Gods such as we, or heroes such as Achilles, need the world to remind us to have a little humility from time to time. You be well.
Thank you too.
Notoriously vicious Cerberus sits.
I played with a group of people that I don't talk to anymore, which I feel bad because what? Be gone, bot! Barrack, right? Like, yeah. I guess that was first. Yeah. There y'all go. Hit the yoinky sploinky. What the fuck does that mean? What? British people refuse to go to the dentist by choice. I will. But as somebody who grew up with like Square games, like my first turn-based RPG was like 6, probably. The first one that I actually like sat down and played myself was probably 6, and I was like 8 when I started that. Fuck you too, man. Like, the thing is I recommend like all Final Fantasies, right? But I would recommend them all for different reasons, right? Big Burp. People on my team have the ability to draw, and then I would just
Restrictions of the
no, he's gonna be so broken. Oh, nice. Okay.
from dry to
Previous battle.
Oh, just the one, just the quad. Oh. And he found it because he was a Smite player. But I watched him play it, and I was like, that seems interesting. And then I realized I could run it on my Mac, so I downloaded it. Shut the.
Spread my wings.
Before you attack, get
Playing with it.
And I have been where I have realized
three.
which has changed like 3 characters after that too.
Trying is for losers who accomplish things. Don't we?
If somebody's on you in the backline, let me know.
Yeah.
We got like a minute left.
Why not crack a
That is pretty crazy. That's pretty. She's like one of the more.
Okay. I think there's a friend. There was a friend! Good luck. Good luck. Oh my god, my aim's garbage. I'm so fucking sorry, bro. Yeah, I don't even have an excuse for that, you know? It's just bad. You know?
Oh my god.
Ready.
But yeah, no. I felt good. I couldn't boot up rivals after that. It's okay, it's okay. We got
There. No, come on. Oh my god, girl.
Okay, put the thing down. Put it down somewhere. Use it. Oh my god, just drop it. Just drop it. I'll use it.
There's one of my own.
Ooh, that felt good. I'm gonna lurk for the rest of the stream trying to.